start. Okay. Okay, so today we're going to do the, I don't know if I still have all that I opened up. Because it shut down and I couldn't even get. Just 1 second, let me open it up again. I don't know what is going on here.
So don't time. Seconds, minutes, and hours.
Okay, this, oh.
You know you have 1, 2, 3. Go to Abuaton now.
Igbo days, so, okay, we still have it here. Oh no, not what I put. 1. Everything just messed up. I don't know what's going on here. And tell me. Can you all see the screen? Can everybody see my screen?
No.
What's going on? Okay, I'm going Chereno, come me pay. Wow. Okay. All right, so let me share the screen again. This is awful. Okay. All right, we're back there again. So we're going to do about the time. So time. So we have, when it comes to the clock in the house, it's, okay, the clock time is Elekere. Elekere is the clock time. Then the time itself, okay, the time is oge. What time is it? Oge, kedu oge ọ bụ? Kedu oge? Gịnị bụ oge? Gịnị bụ oge? Gaa lee ihe na-akụ. Gịnị na-akụ n'elekere? Oh, I can say elekere ole na-akụ. Elekere, what time is it on the clock? That's what the question is. Elekere, so if I say, go check the clock. So let me see if I can just do this one. I want everybody to see. Go check the clock, okay? So when I say go check the clock, the gale elekere, okay? Go check the clock time. Gale elekere, okay? Then when I say okay, which is the time? When? What time are we going? What time are we going? Kedu oge anyị ga-aga? Kedu oge anyị na-aga? What time anyị? What time? Oge. Time is oge. Then when you say seconds, seconds is tim. Now, when I say Ebuka, Biko, how many seconds? Okay. So maybe Ebuka will say, okay, wait for me. In 2 seconds, I'll be there. Aga m anọ there n'oge. Tintim abụọ. Otu tintim. When it's singular, the number comes first. When it's plural, it comes last. Okay? Nyem otu tintim. Give me 1 second. Nyem otu tintim. Give me 1 second. Then when I say nyem tintim asato, give me 8 seconds. See that? Now, minute is nkeji. O jiri nkeji atọ gaa elekere atọ. Now, o jiri nkeji atọ. Now, this is minutes we're talking about. Let me put it down because I want you to understand what I'm saying. O jiri nkeji atọ. So let me just say something here. O jiri nkeji atọ gafee otu okay, I can say o jiri nkeji atọ gafee elekere ise nke mgbede There. So, kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru? Who will tell me what I said? O jiri nkeji, kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru? Who will tell me what I said? Okay, Emeka ngwa.
I think it's probably let's see, 10:03 in the evening.
Huh?
10:03 in the evening.
10:03? No, that's not 10:03.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's okay. It's okay. It's good to try. That's good. Okay, everybody look here. When you say the time, okay? When you say the time, time is okay. Second, tintim. Minute, nkeji, okay? Now, hour is otu. Okay, okay. Otu is an hour. When it's 1 hour, 2 hours, oge abụọ, 3 hours, oge atọ, 1 hour, otu oge. Now let me say this. O jiri nkeji atọ gafee oge. Okay. Gafee no, when elekere is the clock time. When you look at it, when you see the long hand, the short hand, that's what we're talking about. When I say elekere, ise. When you come back to me and say, ọ na-akụ elekere anọ nke ụtụtụ.
Oh, I remember. I said the wrong number.
Yeah, that's what I noticed. So elekere anọ ụtụtụ means 4 a.m. Okay, 4 a.m. When you say elekere ise nke mgbede, that's what? 5 p.m. Mgbede is p.m. Even if you say elekere ise nke anyasị, it means in the night. It's okay. You can say 10 p.m. Then you say anyasị. But if it's 4 p.m., 5 p.m., then you say mgbede. Elekere ise, o jiri nkeji atọ gafee elekere ise. So, who will tell me what I said? Okay, Ikenna. Ikenna, ị na-eweli aka elu. Okay, Ikenna is not talking. Emeka ngwa. Hand. Oh, Adanna. Is it Adanna? No, that's Emeka. Emeka, your hand is still up. Is Emeka here? Your hand is up. What do you want to say? You want to answer the question?
My hand isn't up.
Oh, okay. So, o jiri nkeji ise. So it means 5 minutes. What is that? Is it minutes? Yes. 5 minutes after 5 p.m. O jiri nkeji ise. Oh, no. I said nkeji atọ, not 5 minutes. O jiri nkeji atọ, which is 3 minutes after 5. That's what it is. 3 minutes after 5. When I say o jiri nkeji asatọ, o jiri nkeji iri na ise. Okay, now let's change this one. O jiri nkeji iri na ise. Gafee Ebuka, gwa m ihe m kwuru ebe ahụ.
It's 17 minutes after 2.
17 minutes after 2, yes. That's what it is. Okay, if I say now, aga m abịa, okay, I will come exactly 33 minutes after 7 p.m. I will come Let me say 10 p.m. anyway. Say 9 p.m. Okay. Kedu onye kedu achọrọ m ga-ekwu ya? Okay, Ralụ. Ralụ aka gị dị n'elu.
Yeah, it's up.
Is Ralụ here?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah, I can
Can
hear
you-
you now.
Okay. Ana abịa ọ jiri nkeji iri atọ na atọ gafee elekere itoolu nke ụtụtụ. I mean, nke
Okay, again.
what's PM again? I forgot that one.
What is
Mbede.
evening?
Good.
Oh, wait a minute. Are you guys trying to tell me you've forgotten your greetings? What is morning? What is afternoon?
No,
What
no,
is
I
evening
didn't
and night?
forget that.
Okay,
but-
what is evening time?
Evening time,
Mhm.
that's P.
No, no, no.
like-
First of all, answer my question. Gịnị evening. I'm not saying night. In the evening time. Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo?
Oh,
Ralụ is mgbede.
mgbede.
Now, at night is anyasị. So
Anyas.
this is, first of all, it's the ana m abịa. Is it supposed to be ana m abịa? I need somebody to correct Ralụ there. Because the sentence says,
Oh, aga m abịa.
okay, good. Aga m abịa, not ana m abịa. So
Aga m
it will be ana m abịa when you say, I am coming. Okay, there you go. So I will come. Aga m abịa.
Aga m abịa.
Aga m abịa. Ma o jiri, you miss the word ma. O jiri nkeji iri atọ na atọ gafee elekere itoolu nke anyasị.
Nke anyasị.
So e nwere ụtụtụ, nwee ehihie, so ehihie between 12 p.m. to like 4 p.m. I know from 4 p.m. some people will regard it as evening. Okay, so it's afternoon. Then something like from 5 p.m. till like, I know of evening, it's okay, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7. Then in the night, it's when it's dark. That's how in Igbo culture, that's how it is. If it's dark, it's night. If it's daytime, even if it's 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and still daytime, they call it evening time. But when it's night, it's supposed to be dark. So that's what they considered anyasị. Then mgbede is evening when it's from, let's say, 3, 4. Afternoon is through 12 p.m. till 3, 4. Some people would think that, okay, evening is 4 p.m. till 7 until it's night. Okay, so aga m ajụzi na ajụjụ ugbu a. Onye ọbụla ma ihe wụ awa. Awa wụ oge. Oge abụọ, oge atọ, oge anọ, 3, 4 hours. Otu oge, 1 hour. Okay, gịnị na-akụ? How many hours? Okay, now, for example, Ralụ, when you come to my house, how many hours are you going to stay? So it's like when you ask that question, awa ole, you see that? Hour. Some people say that awa ole. Hour is English, but some Igbo people, they mix it. Awa ole ka ị ga-anọ. Oge ole ka ị ga-anọ, not awa ole. Okay. Oge ole, how many hours? That's the question. Aga m anọ oge atọ. I will stay 3 hours. Aga m anọ awa abụọ na ọkara. See that? I know why I say that, because we have half. Half is ọkara. Aga m anọ awa abụọ na ọkara. I've stayed 2.5 hours. Okay. So now, let me see. Ikenna. Achọrọ m ka ị gwa m ihe a pụtara. Tell me how many. Okay, no. I will be there after 10:30 p.m. Okay. Ikenna, ị nwere ike ịgbalị. I will be there after 10:30 p.m. Ikenna, ịma ya? Uchenna Nekes, ngwa ị na-eweli aka elu.
Aga na bịa gafee iri ise akara
Iri ise n'ọkara. You know, when you say iri ise, it means 50, Uchenna. Iri ise is 50. But we're talking about time here. Okay, look at what I said there. Okay, second, Tim. Minute, nkeji.
Okay.
Hour, oge. Okay, so hour, oge. If it's singular, 1 hour, otu oge. Plural, 3 hours, oge ato. Now half is okara. So from all this, now you know what is second, you know what is minute, you know what is hour. Okay, you know what is half. So, and I said, I will be there after 10:30 p.m. So this is how you say it. Aga m anọ ebe ahụ. Aga m anọ ebe ahụ. Okay. Aga m anọ. Because you say you'll be there. You're not going to say now, I will come. I am coming. I'm going to come. You said I will be there, meaning you will be there. Aga m anọ ebe ahụ. Ma ojiri, see, there are two ways you can say this. Ojiri, ojiri, okara. You see, that is 30 minutes. There is another way. You can also use the minutes here. I will do this one. Somebody else will do it the other way. Okay, using minutes. Right now, I'm going to use half because that's half the minute, okay? Aga m anọ ebe ahụ ma o jiri ọka, no ọha, ọka, ọkara, gafee elekere, see, elekere iri nke anyasị. 10 p.m. is very dark. That's why you have to use anyasị here. You can't say nke mgbede. No mgbede here. We know p.m. means evening time. Okay, a.m. is morning time. But now you have to separate that evening from the afternoon or night. Okay. Ojiri ọkara gafee elekere iri nke anyasị. This is how you say it. Now, there's another way you can say that this one. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ụzọ ọzọ esi ekwu ya? Kedu onye ga-ekwu ụzọ ọzọ esi ekwu ya? Welie aka gị elu, oke mmadụ abụọ. Ebuka ngwa.
Aga m anọ ebe ahụ ma o jiri nkeji 30 gafee elekere iri nke anyasị.
Iri nke anyasị.
iri nke anyasị.
No. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Bido n'ishi ọzọ, Ebuka. Bido ya n'ishi.
Aga m anọ ebe
Aga
ahụ.
m anọ.
Aga m anọ ebe ahụ ma o jiri nkeji 30 gafee elekere 10 nke anyasị.
Gafee elekere 10 nke anyasị. Yeah, that's right. This is another way. So, Ebuka put it another way. You can even say it. Okay. And this is what it is. Agam. The only thing Ebuka changed. The only thing Ebuka togare. Change means togaria. Change. When I say change something, togare. Okay. In here, Ebuka togare that minute. Instead of saying okara, which is half, then Ebuka ekwu nkeji. You see that? So if you don't know second, minute, forget about time. Time and elekere, they are the same. Don't worry about that. But what you need to know here is your second, your minute, your hour, your half. You need them to be able to tell, because everything still has to be in the sentence. And when you see it in the sentence, you should be able to put them together. Okay? Okay, so now, Agam, we still have to put what Ebuka said. Agam, well, let me just, because he changed. The only thing Ebuka changed here, just the minute and nothing else. So we're going to do this. Agam ano ebe ahụ. Agam ano ebe ahụ. Ma o jiri nkeji. Okay. Nkeji 30 gafee elekere 10. See that? Nkeji. Make sure you know what you're saying. Nkeji. And after this class, I want every one of you to use minutes, to use second, minute, hour, half. Especially when you see 30 minutes, I want you to put it in 2 different ways, like we did here, unless if you don't see it. So make two sentences using each of them. The second, the minute, the hour, half. But the half, which is 30 minutes, should come 2 different ways. Okay? So make sure you do that. And you have to send it by Thursday next week. Oh, it's Easter. I know. Send it to me by Thursday next week, Easter. There will be no class because of Easter. Okay? There will be no class. I will still send out a message. So onye ọbụla mee ya, ime ihe omume gị, izitere m ya. Do your homework and send it to me. But post it. I want you to post it to me. Post it to the forum. Everybody do your own differently. But everybody should post theirs at the same time. Don't post it before Thursday. I want everybody to post it on Thursday. Okay? Do it by 10 p.m. on Thursday. Don't post your own before that time. I want everybody to do it at the same time. So do your own. All right. So half okara, or you can also say nkeji. Whatever the number is, use nkeji if it's minutes. The second, tintim. Okay. The hour is oge. Oge no, 4 hours. Oge si, 6 hours. Okay. All these things. We're not going to spend a lot of time here. I gave some examples. You will see them there. So like the one that said, I will be there in an hour. Aga m anọ ebe ahụ n'otu oge. You see that? Otu oge. Now, when it comes to nkeji, I said, I am coming in 15 minutes. Ana m abịa. Ana m abịa. See the difference between I will come. I am coming. I will come. Aga m abịa. Ana m abịa. I am coming, okay? Ana m abịa na nkeji iri ise. Simple. Once you know your numbers, you should be able to do it. All you need to just, so we're trying to see if we can use the language of time, combining it with the numbers. If you don't know your numbers, you won't be able to do it. So we're combining. Make sure you're carrying forward. Everything we are doing here, we have a reason we are doing it. If you don't know your numbers, you won't be able to join the clock time, language, and then the number. Okay, so now 4:28 p.m. O jiri nkeji iri abụọ na asatọ were gafee elekere anọ nke mgbede. You see that? You don't know your numbers, you won't know how to say it. So that you know the sequence, you know how to put it together. O jiri, if you're starting it like that. O jiri nkeji iri abụọ. If you're just saying 2 seconds, o jiri tintim. You see that? O jiri tintim anọ, 4 seconds. You see that? Just 4 seconds. But you know, 4 seconds goes so fast. If you want to put this, let's say, 10 minutes in seconds, you can also do that. You can put 10 minutes in seconds if you want to. But you have to know your numbers and then know the language of time. What is it? What is seconds? What is minute, hour, half? That's all you need to know. And then you know the time is elekere. Okay? That's what you need. Elekere. Time is, no, I'm supposed to combine these two. So don't disregard this one. Time is elekere. Clock time is elekere. And whenever you're trying to use that time, that's what you're going to use. So I will be there. Okay, there will be there. Just try to mix it. Don't use I all the time. They will be there in 4 hours. Ha ga-anọ ebe ahụ n'oge anọ. Oge anọ. Don't say hour anọ. Hour is time, is English. Igbo people, they will mix it. Yes, but that's wrong. Hour atọ agaala. Hour atọ agaala. Trying to say hour. Oge atọ agala. They mix it and say hour atọ agala. 3 hours has passed. That's what they're trying to say. 3 hours have passed. So hour atọ. No. Hour is Beke, is English. Okay. So now, when you say 5:30 a.m., o jiri ọkara were gafee elekere ise nke ụtụtụ. O jiri nkeji iri atọ were gafee elekere ise nke. So find a way to do that. All right. So now I gave a lot of examples here. So we are not going to spend a lot of time here. But when you get it, please go over it, okay? Now we're gonna talk about days. All right. So we have a day, okay? Obosh. Day is Obosh. Week is Izu. Izu. Now, month is Ọnwa. Year is Afọ. Some people call it Aho. Some Aro. Today, Ta or Tata. Yesterday, Nya. Some people say Onyaho. Nya mobo. Onyaho. All right, so pay attention. Obosh. Oboshita. Today. Oboshita. Okay? Tata. Oboshita. Okay? is today, and tata, today. So don't be confused when we put it that way. Obosh tata. All right, so let me reduce the font because I want it to get in. All right. Okay, so pay attention here. We say nyaho, onyaho, yesterday. Nwanne onyaho. Now we need to change something here. Yesterday, this is the area we're doing here. Yesterday, nya or onyaho. Day before yesterday, nwanne onyaho. Nwanne onyaho. Day before yesterday. Nwanne onyaho. Okay? Day before yesterday. Nwanne onyaho. Just like when you're saying sibling. Nwannem. Next to it. Something next to it. So that's how you get it. Nwanne onyaho. Next tomorrow. Nwanne echi. Next tomorrow. Nwanne echi. Now, Owerri people, there's something they call echi gara aga. What is it? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ echi gara aga? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ echi gara
Is it
aga?
yesterday?
Huh?
Yesterday?
Yesterday is also echi gara aga. Yes. So some people say echi gara aga. It's just their dialect, but it is correct. Echi gara aga means yesterday. Echi gara aga, it's already past. Echi gara aga, no. Yesterday, onyaho. Echi gara aga is what? Again. I know some people will say,
Yesterday?
echi. Nwanne echi gara aga. That's
Day
how
before
they put it.
yesterday.
So that's how they put it, but but we're using central here, okay? So we're using central. So I'm gonna delete it because we're using central. But just know it is the sentence. There's nothing wrong with it. If you hear it, it means the sentence. All right. So day before yesterday, nwanne onyaho. Okay. Tomorrow, echi. Next tomorrow, nwanne echi. I hope you guys are paying attention because I want you to go over when I post this and not when I post it, you just disregard it. If you don't go over, you're not going to be able to carry forward. You have to go over what we did in the class. All right, so next tomorrow, nwanne echi. Trying to lower it. Nwanne echi. Some say, echi gara aga. Echi gara aga. Echi. All right. Echi, tomorrow. Nwanne echi. Onyaho. Nwanne onyaho. Okay, I'm going to block this now. Let me ask a question. Chiamaka Genebo. Day before yesterday.
1 year. 1
Huh?
I can't pronounce it.
Okay, let's go over again.
Unyahu.
Okay.
1 year unyahu.
Okay, let's look at it. Okay. Yesterday is onyaho. Some people call nya, but let's just use onyaho. Avoid confusion. Onyaho. Yesterday. Okay. Onyaho. Chiamaka, can you say it?
Unyahu.
Onyaho.
Unyahu.
Okay. Now, when you say day before yesterday, nwanne onyaho.
1 year unyahu.
Okay. Nwanne.
1 year.
Nwanne
1
onyaho.
unyahu.
Good.
1 year unyahu.
Nwanne onyaho. Chiamaka, go on.
Nwanne
Nwanne onyaho.
1 year unyahu.
Okay, how about next tomorrow? Nwanne echi. It's just from echi, then you put sibling there. Nwanne echi. When you say echi tomorrow, and then next tomorrow, nwanne echi, just like yesterday. When you say today, ta, and then tomorrow, see that? Echi. Then when you say nwanne echi, next tomorrow. Okay. Now, when you back up here, you say yesterday is ụnyaahụ. Now, nwanne ụnyaahụ, just sibling of yesterday. So just remember ụnyaahụ. Now, we all know ụbọchị, izu, ọnwa, afọ, taa. So these are how we say something. When I say, let me see people in this class. Adanna, if I say, ọ bụrụ na m say, in 2 months, it will, okay, let's just say in 2 months, what will I say? What is 2 months? Adanna, gịnị bụ 2 months in Igbo?
Amonabo.
Ọnwa na-abụ or ọnwa abụọ. There you go. Ọnwa na-abụ. Let me see. Uchenna Nekes. Gịnị bụ 2 years? Gịnị bụ 2 years?
Afọ abụọ.
Afọ abụọ, daalụ. Ikenna, gịnị bụ 3 weeks? Gịnị bụ 3 weeks? Ikenna, Ohio, n'ebe a. Ikenna. Emeka, gịnị bụ 3 weeks?
3 weeks bụ izu atọ.
Okay, daalụ. Gịnị bụ ụbọchị ọma, Ebuka? Ụbọchị ọma. Ebuka, gịnị bụ ụbọchị ọma?
Ụbọchị ọma bụ today.
No, I said ụbọchị ọma.
Ọma.
Yeah, ụbọchị ọma. Ebuka, don't forget, when I asked this thing, kedu ka ime say adị m mma, then I said, kedu ka ụbọchị gị siri gị? I guess ụbọchị m gara nke ọma, ụbọchị m gara ọfụma. So gịnị ụbọchị ọma?
A good day.
A good day. There you go. So you are trying to put this together. You know, those words you remember before. When you have new words, try to remember, because I know it's there. You know it. You just have to remember, and that's how everything should come together. Now, when I say izu asatọ na ọnwa atọ, okay, izu asatọ, okay, n'izu asatọ na-abịanụ, agam. Okay, I'm trying to see how I will put it so that to confuse you a little bit, because we need to put things together here. When I say, okay, let me do this. Mecca. Mecca. Ga-abịa na izu anọ ma izu anọ na elekere no, you guys supposed to put it in Igbo. I put it in English. Okay. Okay, I'm going to delete it, even though I gave you a clue. Emeka will come in 7 weeks around 7:45 p.m. Around 7:45 p.m. Who will tell me what I said? Just volunteer. Because I got 1 million. Kedu onye ma ihe m kwuru ebe a? I've started it already, so all I need. Okay, somebody. Uchenna Nekese ngwa. Uchenna ngwa n'aka gị nọ n'elu.
Auntie, it was an accident. I forgot to take it off.
Okay, Ebuka, you try.
Emeka na-abịa nzuzo a.
Ka onye na-ekwunu.
Adanna.
Adanna ngwa bịa, ngwa kwuo ya.
Emeka na-abịa nzuzo a.
Not, remember it's will, not coming. You say Emeka na-abịa. It shouldn't be Emeka na-abịa. Kedu onye ga-agbalịnụ?
Emeka ga-abịa nzuzo a.
O nwere preposition ị na-etinyeghị. You're missing something. O nwere ihe ị na-etinyeghị. Emeka ga-abịa na izu asaa. Ọgwụbeghị. Ikwuchaghị ha ncha, ị ga-ekwucha ha ncha. You didn't finish it.
See?
You didn't finish it. Kedu onye ga-enyere Adanna aka? Adanna ekwuchaghị ya. Somebody is in the waiting room there.
Emeka ga-abịa nzuzo a.
Na izu asaa. Okay? Na izu. Emeka ga-abịa na izu asaa. So kedu onye ga-ekwucha
Elekere.
na gịnị?
Elekere.
Achọrọ m onye ga-enyere ya aka.
You gave me.
Okay, Chiamaka, ngwa nyere ya aka.
Notebook you gave me. The notebook.
We're in the class. If you're talking, mute yourself.
I can't remember. I think I left it on the computer.
Okay, I'm going to mute everybody and then I will mute you, Chiamaka. Chiamaka, ngwa, unmute yourself.
Emeka ga-abịa na izu anọ na elekere.
No, izu gịnị?
Izu anọ.
Is that what you call 7?
Asatọ.
No.
Asa.
Asa,
Asa.
Emeka ga-abịa n'izu asaa,
Na elekere nkeji asaa iri na
Achọrọ m onye
isi.
ga-ekwu ya ọfụma. Ị tried, ịgbalịrị. Kedu onye ga-ekwuzi ya ọfụma? Chiemezie ngwa. Chiemezie, aka gị nọ n'elu ngwanụ. Kedu onye ọzọ? Nnamdị kwe na ebe a. Ngwa Jacob. Dị niile nọ ebe a na-ekwu okwu. Jacob. Nnamdị, unmute yourself. Ngwa kwuoro anyị.
Ụtụtụ ọma o.
Ụtụtụ ọma, kedu ka ị mere?
Ndị mụmụ.
Ị bịaghị n'oge, anyị ga-eri gị nha. Anyị ga-eri gị iwu. Anyị ga-eri gị iwu bụ gịnị, Nnamdị?
Gbagara biko.
Nsogbu adịrọ. Gịnị bụ anyị ga-eri gị iwu?
You guys are gonna to put it in a nutshell, you all will kind of
Iri iwu means to find you.
Oh,
To
find.
define. Yeah.
To find.
Yeah, we are going to find you, which means you pay a price.
Oh yeah, fine. Okay, yeah. Fine.
So iri iwu maọbụ iri nha.
Okay, they are because they are.
Okay, let me write it. Iri iwu. Okay, iri iwu maọbụ iri nha. That's what it is. When you are late in organizations, when somebody is late, they say, oh, yeah, we're going to fine you $5. If you're late, you pay $1 or you pay $2. So when you come late, they say, oh, ị bịaghị n'oge. A ga-eri gị iwu, ị ga-akwụ nha gị, ị ga-akwụ nha, ị ga-akwụ iwu gị. It means you're going to pay your fine. Okay? Because I hope you guys are paying attention. I'm going to ask this question next time. What gịnị bụ iri iwu maọbụ iri nha? So pay attention. Okay. So Nnamdi, ngwa kọwara anyị ihe ọ pụtara. Emeka will come in 7 weeks around 7:45 p.m.
Okay. Emeka ga-abịa Emeka ga-abịa izu asaa.
You're missing preposition there.
Okay, n'izu asaa. Around ihe dịka, I don't know, around something like ihe dịka,
it's okay.
Okay.
You can say n'oge maọbụ ihe dịka ya, onwe ihe mere.
Okay. Elekere asaa na iri anọ na ise nke mgbede.
Okay, ịgbalịrị. So ihe ọ ga-abụ Emeka ga-abịa, okay? Emeka ga-abịa n'izu asaa ma o jiri, ma ọ ga-esi ihe dịka o jiri elekere, okay? Gekwa ntị. You can say ihe dịka, ma ọ ga-esi ma o jiri nkeji is minute. Nkeji. O jiri nkeji 45 wee gafee elekere asaa nke mgbede. See that? Elekere asaa nke mgbede. Emeka ga-abịa Emeka ga-abịa n'izu asaa ma o jiri, ị nwekwara ike ịsị ihe dịka o jiri nkeji 45 gafee elekere asaa nke mgbede. That's how you say it. Okay? So everybody, your homework. Jiri, achọrọ m ka ị jiri elekere tim. Okay? Nkeji, oge, ọkara. Use each of them, okay? Were otu n'ime ha n'ofu. Use each of them. Were otu n'ime ha n'ofu. Were nye okwu, nye ahịrị okwu. Make a sentence, okay? Make a sentence. Two sentences each. Zitere m ya ma ọ kụọ elekere 10 nke anyasị n'ụbọchị Thursday na-abịanụ n'izu anụwa. Okay? This coming Thursday, send it. There will be no class this coming Saturday because it's Easter. Okay? I wish everybody happy Easter, but I'll still send a message. If you have a question, feel free to reach me. Wakadano, Kemesian.